Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss our third unit, CSS, cascading style sheet. First, we have to discuss first unit. We discussed software testing model. That means SDLC, agile testing, and agile dynamic type of testing, and the Git to GitHub discussed in first unit. Second unit are scripting language, the basic standard scripting language like HTML, hypertext markup language. The third unit, CSS, cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet is nothing but to next level of to improving your HTML pages. That means web pages. Cascading style CSS stands for cascading style sheet. With CSS, you can control the color, font, the size of the text, the spacing between elements, how elements are positioned and laid out and laid in, and what background images or background colors, background borders are to be used, different displays for different devices, and screen size, and much more. There are a three way of inserting a style sheet. The three way of inserting a style sheet, you have to executing three way to executing style in your HTML pages, HTML web pages. That means inline CSS or internal CSS and external CSS. Inline CSS is nothing but the inline CSS may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline styles, add the style attribute to the relevant element. The style attribute can contain any CSS property. The syntax of CSS, the HTML tag, style equal to your CSS property, or it's a color, or you have to change in any font, you have to add background color, whatever it is. You close HTML tag. This is the CSS tag or basic codes. Example code: HTML, doc HTML, HTML5, then HTML open tag, then body open tag, body you have to open, then H1. Directly you have to apply style in HTML page directly. H1 style equal to color, whatever color you have to select. Align, your font must be align center or any other your right side or left side, whatever may be, you have to fix user defined. Then paragraph tag you have to add paragraph tag, then include a paragraph tag style, you have to include that. Then whatever you have to content apply, whatever content you have to apply in your paragraph tag, then close body tag, then HTML tag, close HTML tag, you have to execute. For example, we have to see in example program. Already I have to create it. For example, inline HTML, whatever it is, HTML head tag, all it's predefined. We already we have to know in HTML page. Here you are adding extra feature is style. Example, body tag, inside of body tag h2, that means your head tag, it modify h1 now, it's nothing but h1. Then style tag equal to color blue, and your content head is hello world. You have to save that page, then run a program. Chrome, the color will be applied. Hello world is a blue color. Your paragraph tag is, you apply in your paragraph style also style tag, you have to include your paragraph tag, style tag, what color, red in color. Brown. Now you have to say, then run a program. Your paragraph content also will be a color will be changed. This is what we have to use CSS. You have to enhancing your web page style to the next level. You have to applying different font style, you have to apply you have to change different font style, you have to update color, you have to border, positioning, margin. In the next class we have to see in advanced level of CSS tags. First we have to what are the way we have to implementing in CSS: inline, internal and external. Inline is nothing but directly in HTML page you add a style tag, include your HTML tags. H1 is a HTML tag and a paragraph tag is a HTML tag, the basic HTML tag. What is the purpose we have to use H1 to H6, the heading tag. What is the purpose we have to P tag, the paragraph tag. Inside you have head tag, you have to add color, that means style color. You understand what is the way to executing, what are the way you have to executing the inline style. This is the inline executing. Then you have to run a program. Background color also we have to change in next level. We have to see in the next class what are the background we have to change. First we have what are the way we have to execute HTML with CSS. Inline tag you have to complete. Next internal tag, internal style. An internal style sheet may be used to one single HTML page as a unique style. The internal style is defined inside the element, inside the head section. Separately you have to declare style tag followed by your HTML other tags, your heading tag, paragraph tag, your div tag, whatever HTML basic tags you have to apply. But in the same page you have to add style tag. For example, internal page, internal tag, basic tags, head tag, body tag, all it's here. Inside the body tag you have to apply separately style tag. In an inline tag we have to include style tag in with your head tag and p tag. Include style content, that means CSS style you have to apply. In internal tag separately you have to define style tag. Include your style tag, what is body color and your H1 color, and you have to add first you have to execute that, save, run a program. Hello world, welcome to. Your background color is also changed. Our content is here. Our background color Lenina, you have to change yellow, green. Background you have to change background now. You have to use background -color. It's a keyword. It will be changed. You have to applying in a paragraph. Easy. Color aqua line. Okay, and you have to save, run a program. And aqua line color apply in your paragraph tag, include content. Your heading tag is hello world. Your paragraph is welcome to our college. Separately we have to include style tag. Include style tag. Inside the style tag you have to apply background color and change and apply your head one color, that means heading color. Then apply your paragraph font color, it all must be a change. But what is the different means? In inline you have to apply, directly you have to apply HTML tag, include that style tag. In internal, separately in body tag, include your body tag, separately you have to define style tag, followed by your HTML basic tags, h1 tag, paragraph tag, div tag, whatever it is. This is a difference, inline tag and internal tag. Ma, you understand, ma'am, what I have to say, what I have to convey, and really inline tag and internal tag. What is the difference you have to mention? Clearly you have to understand. Inline tag, you directly HTML tag, include that style tag. H1 directly in H1 tag include include a bracket, style tag, color, and followed your content, and the same itself p tag. In internal tag, include the body tag, separately style tag you have to add. This is the keyword, style, open parenthesis, less than symbol, style, greater than symbol. Again, what is our styles, different colors, background colors, font, whatever style you have to apply. Then close style tag, followed your content tag, that means h1 tag, p tag, div tag. Then whatever you have to produce your content, form tag, whatever it is, you have to add for form tag. We discussed in HTML, right? Form tag, list tag, whatever it is. But your style will be include that you are inside of your style tag. You understand, ma? What I have to say? Okay. Next external tag. Within external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing is just one file. Each HTML page must include a reference to a external style sheet file inside the link. You have to separate, first you have to create HTML page, then inside link tag you have to apply in HTML page. The link page, that means your .css file name .css page, separately you have to create inside the h section. Inside the h section you have to put your link tag, that means CSS link tag. This is where separately, that means an external sheet can be written in any text format and must be saved .css file name cascading style sheet .css extension, file name .css extension. The external that means here, for example, external.css file file should not contain any HTML tag. In a CSS page don't have you have to write any HTML tag. Directly, what is your include your style tag, what are the styles you have to apply in your HTML page, that means your scripting page, background change, color change, font change, whatever, background image change, whatever it is, whatever style you have to apply in a external tag. The link will be provided in your HTML page, that directly they connected to your HTML page and CSS page, then execute your output, then execute, and finally you got output. This is the linking external sheet. The external sheet, the type CSS code into a plain text file, that's unsave .css your action. For example, the style.css, you have to here an example soon. This is the CSS code. This is the HTML code. Link.real equal to style sheet, within a code of style sheet, and href equal to your file name .css file, whatever it is, the user defined. Here I have to mention style.css. Okay. For example, we have to see in a real time external page, external.html you have to create, whatever it is. Previously what we have to see in a HTML, same itself, your HTML tag, HTML5 tag, HTML tag, then a library function, and a head tag, and a close head tag, body tag, include a body. Instead of body tag you have to include a paragraph tag, you have to type welcome to RMD Engineering College. Okay. Our heading tag is hello world. But separate then this is complete your HTML page. You have to adding external, you have to add any styles to external. That means you have to apply style tag separately. Sample here I mentioned sample.css style tag. You have to open style. No need style tag. Directly you have to apply body background hyphen color, linen color here you have to change yellow you have to change. Then H1 color is maroon, you have to apply, what is that, P. Color, then the aqua line. Okay. Into a head tag you have to apply color and margin related design, margin related feature. Then P tag, that means paragraph tag, you have to change, does not change font, you have to apply only color. Okay, both the session you have to save, but you have to executing through HTML page. Here we have to mention the link tag. You have to see meta tag, then title tag. Below your title tag, your link tag. That means head tag you have to include your linking tag. Link real equal to style sheet, href equal to sample.css. Okay, sample.css file name.css. You have to run this page. All the your styles will be applied through a external mode. Now you understand what we have to discuss today. What is CSS? Then what are the way you have to execute in CSS? Inline, internal, external. Inline, you directly you have the styles include that your HTML tag. In internal, separate in a same page in HTML page, separately in body tag you include that style tag. In a external tag, HTML we have to not disturb in HTML page. Separately, directly you have to add a link page in your below followed by your head tag, and the linking file separately you have to create sample.cs. Whatever dot extensions is your mandatory. In a user defined, whatever file name dot extension you have to provide. The same file name you have to mention your href equal to followed the tag .css extension. Hopefully you all are understand what is CSS and what are the way you have to applying styles in the inline, internal, external. Clearly you have to understand. Hopefully all the three methods you have to understand in the next class and next class, what are the extra features, that means colors, font size and borders. What are the styles you have to apply in your making using of HTML in a web page. We have to see next class. Thank you.